Today we have the magnificent 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S 4MATIC Plus SUV. Under the hood is an handcrafted AMG 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine producing a staggering 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. This car has the 9-speed automatic transmission, AMG Active Control suspension based on AMG Ride Control Plus, and also we have a performance exhaust system. Total retail $145,000. MSRP is about $130,000. Fuel economy is 16. Going on a test drive, the exterior is the black. Interior we have red pepper as well as the black exclusive Napa leather as well as the carbon fiber trim option. Let's go on a test drive, the driver's perspective, in the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S 4MATIC Plus SUV. Enjoy the drive. Check out this feature. Go to the menu option, go to the track base. It says use only on closed off tracks away from public traffic. This is the track base app, which is where you record your start stop time for drag race. You get a new menu up front with the green traffic lights. So if you want to do drag race, this is how you do it. The car is not broken in, so we're not going to give it the full power, but that's how you basically engage the track pace. I'm going to say cancel. We're not going to record that. Go to the home option, go back to the sport mode. Climate control systems, air quality. This car does have an air fragrance system. Switch to the Sport Plus mode. These are the dynamic drive modes. We have a race mode, Sport Plus mode, Sport, Comfort, Individual, and Slippery for winter conditions. Go all the way to the Sport Plus mode, which adjusts your suspension as well as the dynamic Sport Plus options. You can feel how the exhaust sound amazing. There are also paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. We'll just go ahead and use those. You can see the indicator, M7 manual mode, shift to 8. Once you begin to slow down, you can downshift. Good surface area for the paddle shifters as well. Let's try the parking systems. I already know where I want the car to park, somewhere around here. if you find that spot. Huh. Guess he's not gonna find it. Oh. That was awfully close, but it's able to park pretty well. See the other GLE right here. We have one next to us. There we go. Perfect parking. That's it. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S 4MATIC Plus SUV. Subscribe to Mercedes Launch for weekly videos. See you next time. Stay positive. Peace.